Do you wish your bathroom was a spa? I have an easy solution to help you with that. My name's Hannah with WTI, and you have to see this G Promise all metal shower system. First off, this thing is solid, brass and stainless steel throughout, so it feels so high end. The installation was incredibly easy. Everything you need, including the Teflon tape, comes right in the box, and it only took me a few minutes to get it all set up. But the real game changer is the 9-inch adjustable extension arm. Most shower heads sit too close to the wall, but this extender lets you position the 8-inch square head directly overhead. It creates that true immersive rain shower feel that is just so relaxing. And when you need real power, the handheld sprayer, I was so impressed with its pressure. It's perfect for a deep rinse, getting that conditioner out of your hair, or cleaning the shower. It's a total upgrade in both style and performance. Honestly, once you feel this difference, you won't go back to any other shower head. But that's just my point of view.